Railway vehicles. Name and sound. Snow plowing train.
Rotary snowplow, or more specifically, a steam-powered rotary snowplow.
Snow plowing
Railroads used to
train.
use these devices pretty
A
regularly in
heavy-duty
wintertime for clearing
train
snow from the
equipped
tracks
with
when the
front
tracks were just
plows
too
or
high for the
rotary
smaller plows to
blades
suffice.
to clear
These days,
snow
not too
from
many railroads
tracks
use
in
rotaries
winter
anymore,
conditions.
and very few of the steam-powered ones even exist, let alone operate. One of my favorite tourist railroads, the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad, which runs over a 64-mile stretch of track in northern New Mexico and southern Colorado.
Fire train. Fire train. A specialized train equipped with water tanks, pumps, and firefighting tools used to combat fires along railway lines. Diesel train. Diesel train. A train powered by diesel engines, known for strong torque reliability and the ability to operate on non-electrified tracks. Rideable miniature railway train. Rideable miniature railway train. A small-scale train designed for riding, often used in parks or hobby railways, offering lightweight and low-speed operation. Incline railway car. Incline railway car. A rail car designed to travel on steep slopes using cable mechanisms, providing safe ascent and descent on mountain tracks. Green Thomas train. Green Thomas train. A themed or toy-like train inspired by the Thomas and Friends franchise, usually painted green and designed for children. Steam locomotive. Steam locomotive. A classic engine powered by steam pressure, recognized for its pistons, chimney exhaust, and historic mechanical design. Ballast cleaner. Ballast cleaner. A maintenance machine used to remove, clean, and replace ballast under tracks to ensure stability and proper drainage. Coal train. Coal train. A freight train composed of multiple hopper cars, designed to carry large quantities of coal over long distances. Double-decker train. Double-decker train. A passenger train with two level carriages, increasing seating capacity, and ideal for busy commuter routes. Tram train. Tram train. A hybrid vehicle capable of running both on tram tracks within cities and on conventional railway lines. Cog railway train. Cog railway train. A mountain train using essential gear to climb steep grades safely and efficiently. Height speed train. Height speed train. A streamlined train designed for very high speeds, featuring aerodynamic shapes, advanced braking, and low noise and velocity. Oil train. Oil train. A freight train composed of tank cars used to transport petroleum, crude oil, or chemical liquids safely. Rail motor car. Rail motor car. A lightweight self-propelled rail car combining passenger space and an integrated engine for short regional routes. Electric locomotive. Electric locomotive. A locomotive powered by electricity from overhead wires or third rails, offering high efficiency and low emissions. Suspended monorail. Suspended monorail. A train hanging from overhead, offering smooth elevated travel and minimizing ground-level infrastructure. Hospital train. Hospital train. A specially equipped train with medical facilities used for transporting injured people or providing mobile health care. Railroad crane. Railroad crane. A rail-mounted crane used for heavy lifting, track repair, and recovery operations on railway lines. Lorem rail grinder. Lorem rail grinder. A powerful maintenance machine that grinds rail surfaces to remove imperfections, extend rail life, and improve safety.